Talking of learning from parents and adults, here's a scary stat for you. 40 million drivers in the US would fail the driving test if they had to take it today. Just think about that one. There are over 6 million collisions and crashes reported on US roads every year, with estimates of up to another 10 million going unreported. The reality here is this: over 1 million new drivers are included in these huge numbers. That means around 500,000 life-changing injuries and 6,000 tragic fatalities just for new drivers every year. Here is another staggering statistic. In an annual study of deaths per capita of traffic-related collisions for 48 industrialized nations, the USA was the safest at number 1, but is now down to number 42. The US has also fallen from number 1 safest to number 11 in deaths per miles driven. Experts are in total agreement that many other countries are now doing a much better job of preparing and training their children for driving. These drops for the US are unacceptable and inexcusable. Parents need to understand it is getting more dangerous out there on the roads, not less. This information should tell any parent or adult all they need to know. We can and should do much better. I know most parents have never thought about the link between their driving behavior and how their children might copy this behavior when they start to drive. The Wake Up PSA has shown us that very young children are well aware of how their parents drive. 75% of new drivers are driving with the same distracted driving habits they have learned from their parents.